Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Izz Hadri Bin Hamidi, and today I'm gonna present about my project. And this slide is prepared for Dr. Shafa binti Ibrahim, my supervisor, Madam Nur Azian binti Mur Dahalan, my examiner, and Dr. Jamaluddin bin Haji Jasmis, my CSP lecturer. Okay, my project title is Automatic Malaysian Vehicle Plate Number Identification using Convolutional Neural Network (CNN). For the introduction, first is license plate number. It is a metal or a plastic that attached to any vehicle on the road for identification purpose. It contains a black background and a white character. This is cited by Khalifa 2007. Then, for image processing, it is a manipulation of images using digital computer. This is cited by Da Silva 2005. Furthermore, for deep learning, it is a type of machine learning that allows computer to learn through experience and to interpret the world in form of a sequence of concepts. This is cited by Kim 2016. Then lastly, for automatic license plate recognition, it is a system to assist the local authorities to recognize the vehicle details by identifying a plate number of vehicle on the road. Okay, next, for the problem statement, first, manual plate number identification is challenging. According to Jane 2016, it's quite challenging due to many interesting factors such as a variety of character pattern, font, shape, and plate dimension. Then, a motion blur occurs when the object moves during the exposure period. This is cited by Fang 2015. Furthermore, increasing number of cases of stolen cars. According to My Metro News, about 12 men were caught by the police because of vehicle theft around Selangor. From Astro Awani, 4 or 5 men have been caught after they tried to steal a car around Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, and the other one is still being searched. Okay, nevertheless, difficult to identify the expiry of road tax among drivers. According to My Metro News, about 36,421 summons have been issued from January to September 2019. This situation makes the authority put more efforts to identify an expiry road tax on the road. So, a proper system needs to be made in handling these issues. Hence, the automatic Malaysian vehicle plate number identification using image processing is proposed. For the project objective, first is to design a system for automatic Malaysian vehicle plate number identification. Second, to develop and propose system using image processing techniques. Then, lastly, to test the functionality and reliability of the developed system. Okay. For the methodology, the model that being used is modified waterfall model. It is an improved version of the waterfall model, and it allows the phases to be overlapped when needed, and it is more flexible than pure waterfall model. Okay, for the design, first is process flowchart. First, when start, system will open a video, then it will divide it into a frame and get still images. Then the system will identify the plate number in the image using YOLO object detection, and if the system found it, it will display the detected plate number. Then the system will use a character recognition using OCR to recognize any character in the plate number. Then it will display the recognized character in the plate number. Then the system will check the vehicle record using the result of OCR from the DB vehicle using Firebase. Then, if any record occur, then the system will display the status of missing vehicle and the road tax expiry, and it will display a warning message if any issue about the vehicle record is occur. Next, use case diagram. First, user can log in, where user need to log in by entering their email and password. Then, for identify plate number, the image of the plate number in every frame on the video stream is used to identify any character on the plate number. User need to log in first to do this method. Then, for license plate number detection, the system will detect the plate number on the frame image on the video stream using YOLO object detection. Then, the system will crop the plate number image on the frame image by identifying its region boundary. Then, for text recognition, the text on the image will be extracted by using Tesseract Optical Character Recognition (OCR). Then lastly, identify an issue. The system will identify the issue by using the result of the image that has been identified by the system. Next, for ERM and ERD, where one user can check many vehicles and one vehicle can be checked by one user. Next, for data preparation, where a Google form was shared to collect plate number images from social media. The total images that have been collected is 111 samples. For data augmentation, first, the sample was resized into 1000 times 1000. Second, the resized sample is rotated into 45 and 315 degrees. Third, the resized and rotated sample is smoothed using blurring function. Fourth, the resized and rotated sample was used for salt and pepper process. Lastly, the resized and rotated sample is used for contrast process in random values. Then, all the augmented image were saved in JPEG format. The dataset size after the augmentation process is 999 sample of images. Okay, then for labeling data, all dataset were labeled to annotate the image for the supervised learning procedure and saved in TXT format. Then, all dataset are split into 3 categories, which are train, valid, and test. The ratio will be 60-20-20, where the train is 639 image, valid 160 image, and test is 200 image. Okay, for the conclusion, the system is done by using CNN. The data was collected using Google Form. The data was augmented using image processing to increase the variety of dataset sample, and dataset was trained using YOLO object detection. Then the train model being tested and deployed in Android application that merge with Firebase to identify any vehicle issues from object detection and recognition. Thus, all the project objectives are achieved. Okay, now we go to system demo. Let's go. Okay, this is login layout where user need to input their email and password. Let's try if we put the incorrect password and email. Okay, this is happen. Okay, then we try to put the correct one, the correct email and the correct password. Okay, then the start button will occur. Okay, let's try it. If the vehicle has no theft status and the road tax expiry is above current date, then they will no notify.
Warning, found a missing and expired road tax vehicle. The following plate number is CLS 1124. Expired date, the 9th of January 2019.
Okay, this happen if a missing car and expired road tax is occur.
Warning, found an expiry road tax vehicle. The following plate number is MA41. Expired date, November 20th, 2017.
Okay, this occur if the theft status has no record but the road tax expiry is below current date.
Warning, found a missing vehicle. The following plate number is BJY 6688.
Okay, this occur if the theft status is missing but the road tax expiry is above the current date.
Warning, found a missing and expired road tax vehicle. The following plate number is UU 535.
Okay,
expired date, December 18th, 2017.
Okay, this occur if the theft status and the road tax expiry if both occur. I think that's all. Thank you.